Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we're gonna make a beautiful floral arrangement reusing one of these large boxes. I'm going to transform into a beautiful floral arrangement using these picks I found from Walgreens. I'm so in love with them. This one I found from the dollar store. This beautiful critter from Walgreens. This ornament from Walmart. Spanish moss. This type of green leaves. I don't know if I will be using them, but I'm showing you. And this burlap ribbon. Some floral foam and gift wrap. Also tape for our gift wrap and our scissors. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap our box. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our burlap and taping it to the back part of our gift. Not to the front, to the back part. This makes our burlap ribbon kind of removable because we're gonna be adding some hot glue here to put our ornament. Oh, right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stuff our floral foam in our box, just like that. And this piece on the top part, so our beautiful critter has something to stand on, or maybe we're going to put him here. We would see about that. But first, we're going to grab our bigger branch from Walgreens. We're going to untie it and start working with it, because this one we are not breaking it. We're just putting it like so on the back part of our arrangement. So we're going to fluff it until we have the desired fluffing. I am just bending my stem to the back part so I don't have to cut my beautiful pick, because I need it, or I want to keep it for next year. I don't even want to add a candle anymore because it looks so beautiful. This would be the only thing I would be adding, and that would be it. Let me just turn on my glue gun and we will add that, and that's it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, I added a bowl, a berry, a pine cone, and some holly berry. And this is our arrangement. You can see the ornament from Walmart. We added a beautiful critter over here. He's a festive chipmunk, I think. And our picks from Walgreens. It's always easy to create when you have the right tools and the right and good quality materials. As you can see, it was an easy, really easy project. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.